Before I get into today's real estate show for Santa Clarita, I often get asked the question if anything scares me. Do I have any fears? And I guess to get a little close with everybody today, I'm going to venture out and say latex. Balloons, latex balloons, they just terrify me. I can't imagine being in a balloon factory, having a unicorn walking around. It would totally freak me out. But balloons, because you never know when they're going to blow up. And not the Mylar stuff. Mylar stuff, they don't really pop. But those latex balloons just completely freak me out. All right, so let's get into today's real estate update. We're going to start with overall view of Santa Clarita. Then I'm going to get into Canyon Country today. You can see all of this at santaclaritaopenhouses.com. And today, again, is December 13th. 2024. We're very close to the end of the year. Also wrote a book. You can see that at santaclaritaopenhouses.com. It'll be right there. You can go to Amazon and pick up a copy. Now, right now, total listings all across the Santa Clarita Valley, 496. This is going to be including single-family residences, condominiums, and townhomes. Median list price right now, looking at all the numbers this morning, $830,000. Median days on market, about 56. That's going to take in overall Santa Clarita Valley. Valencia and Stevenson Ranch typically are going to see a less days on market time frame, and especially Stevenson Ranch. Did that update this week on Tuesday, and of course next Tuesday we'll have another Stevenson Ranch update. Valencia's are Mondays. Looking at the median price per square foot in all of Santa Clarita Valley, about $437. So right now the market is holding strong. People are wondering, should they wait until next year to purchase versus now? I tell my clients, let's see what's on the market, kind of get an idea where we are, and then we make whatever adjustments. But if you see something on the market now, definitely you're going to have less competition than if you wait until next year into the first quarter, maybe February or March. It's going to start to really pick up. It's going to get incredibly busy. Then the question comes in about interest rates. What's going to happen next year with regard to interest rates? And with the economy, if the economy stays solid and gets even better, probably we won't see much of a lessening at all. But that's something that we'll have to get into next year and find out what happens. All right, so I'm going to move down into Canyon Country now, looking at the total real estate market there. And again, santaclaritaopenhouses.com, you'll see all of it. Total active listings, 126 total properties for sale. This is all residential, 126, that's it. Median list price in Canyon Country, less than the overall Santa Clarita view by about a couple $100,000. $649,450. Median days on market 43. Median size of those residences about 1,300 square feet, and that median price per square foot $454. Looking at the different areas in Canyon Country is going to depend on price point. Some of the areas are newer, that kind of adjacent to Costco. Those houses are going to be more expensive, even more expensive just because of the locale, the large lot size, and equestrian type facilities with livestock and so on. So you're going to see larger houses there. Then you can go into Canyon Country. You can find reasonably priced condominiums and townhomes. What I would suggest, though, before you embark in that journey, find out which ones happen to be approved for your particular type of financing. Right now, we're seeing some things change because there are a lot of insurance companies pulling out of the California market. That being the case, sometimes in some of these condominium complexes, we're finding that there is no insurance available. So these are cash purchases, at least HOA type insurances. That is going to have a direct result on the type of financing that's allowed. We also see this in some of the areas in Saugus, and we might see it even more in the near future. My suggestion, as we used to kind of wait until the end of an escrow cycle, that's usually 45 days before we would have the client check with insurance, we have insurance companies contacted very quickly, very soon, just to make sure that the coverage is available for the specific residence, and it's not going to be some massive, absorbent amount that's going to create a lot of financial difficulty for those particular buyers. So this is good advice, something to note. Also, I did talk about insurance at length in my book, How to Buy and Sell Real Estate in Santa Clarita. It's the 2025 edition. I will have an update for that probably in the next month, I'm going to include a very long vendor list. So if you know anybody that's in a real estate related industry that maybe I've worked with or you can recommend, send me their information so I can reach out to them and find out if they would be a good fit in the book. Of course, there's no charge for any of that. If I charge for placement in the book, then I'm no better than other people out there in real estate. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you for watching today's Canyon Country Update. We will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be Castaic on Saturday mornings. Also, the open houses that are going to be scheduled for this weekend. There's over 55 that have been posted so far. You can find that and all the active inventory at SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. Thanks for watching today. We'll be back tomorrow. Have a fantastic evening, afternoon, or morning. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.